mummies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my loves, we're going to be making some Halloween tags today. I'm going to show you guys how to make these really fun, easy tags. You guys know how much I love making tags. You know that that's one of my things that I love to create, are little tags like this. And I'm going to show you how to make that. So what I did was I went into my little scrap. Here I have a little basket full of everything that you can think of that is Halloween inspired. I throw all my scrap papers in here. I have some projects that I wanted to work with you guys last year that I wasn't able to. I just have everything in here that's basically Halloween inspired. And so I go through this here, through this little basket. Before I cut out my papers, I kind of go through this basket and pick some papers that I want to work with. And so that's what you basically need to do. Just pick out some papers that you want to create your tags. Here I have these two tags that I already cut out. You know, I already did the template. It's very simple. You guys know that I use just different kinds of tags for my template, okay? So, very simple. Here I have my two little, oh, let me put you in closer, hold on. Okay. Here I have my two little tags that we're going to work with. The only thing that I did different with these tags is I decided to keep the edge of the tags a little bit rustic looking, more like rugged looking. And what I did was I just tore a little bit of the bottom part of my tag, and it kind of gave it that raw look to it. I love that. I think it looks cute. And as you can see here, these all have that same technique. See, I just ripped a little piece of the bottom of the tag. It kind of looks really pretty and rustic to me. I don't know, I like that look and I thought it was nice. So here, let's put these tags together. You can see how easy it's going to be. So I have my tags here. I have my template, which is my circle, and I have another circle. Let's create a circle for this one. I'm using my punch, which I'm using a punch that's big and then a punch that's a little bit smaller in size, okay? That's one. And then this is going to be the punch for the center of my tag. And for this punch, I use this punch right here. For this little circle, I use this punch. Okay, so I'm gonna do that. We're going to add some stickers to our little circle. So here, I have these stickers that I love. I bought these at the Dollar Tree last year. You have these really fun little skeletons and cats and pumpkins and little mouse. It's just so cute. So I'm going to use these stickers and incorporate them in here. So I have some in the back that I already started using. So let's let me use these back here. Okay, so I'm going to use, let's see, I want to use the sticker that's not too big because I don't want it to be bigger than my circle. So this is, oh wait, this little mouse is cute too. No, but it's too big. So I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to add my sticker to the center of the circle, which is the smallest one, okay? Right there. See that? And then I'm going to find another pumpkin. So there you have your two little pumpkins in the circle. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some dimensions to the circle so we can lift up the circle and we can add it to the bigger circle, okay? So add some dimensions in the back of your circle. And then we're going to add this circle to the bigger circle right in the center. Just like that. It kind of looks like a little button. Just like that. See that? Perfect. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add the bigger circle onto our tag. Very simple and super easy. Here's one tag. Here's the other tag. Get some dimensions. You might need to use 2 of them because the circle is pretty big. Okay? It all depends. I'm going to use 2. And I'm going to add my pumpkin right in the side of my tag. See that? Right off the side of my tag. Let's do the same thing with this one. And guess what, guys? These tags are basically almost done. These little gift tags. It really doesn't take that long to do. This is such a fun project to do with your children or maybe like your grandchildren. You can have them make some of these tags for their friends, maybe their co-workers. Maybe you want to do it, you know, having a Halloween party. You want to gift this as a maybe favor. These are cute to add to like a chocolate bar. Gift them as favors. It's perfect. So there you have it. There's the tags that we did. I mean, they're basically complete. All you gotta do is just add your twine to make sure that, you know, it can hang from somewhere. If you're using these as gift tags, you want to make sure you have a string or ribbon or something so that it can be hung to whatever you're gifting. So here I have this one that I'm going to put. And then this one I have this kind of like natural color of twine. Hold on, I gotta make my hole a little bigger. Oi! Okay, there we go. And then the last thing we're going to do with these tags is going to be a bow. See that? The only thing we're going to do, which is the last thing we're going to do, is we're going to add a bow right in the center of the tag, just like that. And that's going to complete our tag. How sweet, right? And simple and so cute. I love making tags. These are literally the easiest tags you can create in no time. As you can see, it doesn't really take much to do this. And I use scrap paper, so go into your little scrap section where you have all these little pieces of paper and try to create these tags out of those papers so you don't have to, you know, use either a 12 by 12 or a 6 by 6 paper. And that's it. That's all there is to it. How cute are these? I love them. Look how cute they are. They came out so cute. I love them. Now, can you imagine these like maybe attached to like a candy bar or like a goodie bag that you're gifting to someone? It's just really super sweet and cute. Very cute. I might use these for my co-workers. Maybe I can attach like a nice little bar and then just gift them to them for Halloween. I might do that because these are just so cute. I love them. But that's how you create these simple tags, guys. You saw how easy this was in literally no time. I mean, I think it took me like less than 7 minutes to make these tags. I mean, granted, I do talk a lot, but besides me talking a lot, it really did not take that long to create. So I hope that you guys try making these. Let me know what you guys think at the bottom of this video. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you comment. Make sure you hit that subscription button for me. And I hope that you guys enjoy watching me create these. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for returning. And please be safe out there. Love you all. Bye, honey bunnies. Bye.